2 lanes round to the right.
Okay.
Which one should we pick?
This left one.
The left one,
Yeah.
good. Because you're always risking people turning right and you getting stuck behind them as well. But we are going to do a right turn at the next set of lights. So we're going to start planning that. Now, people do just zoom down that right side, but they shouldn't do.
No.
They should stay here.
Yes.
And put a signal on and go. See that marking in front of us?
Yep.
We're going to, in fact, put a right signal on now. And now, what should we do?
Wait.
Put it in first gear. Well done. And just keep driving with this one in this lane until we can get across. And that bus van or minibus is perfect. Across you go. Spot on. So what's your thoughts of the transit in front of us?
Well, this one
Yeah.
didn't do that right at all.
No, it didn't. But your reaction to it is perfect.
I
Alright.
want to go there, so I want to go all the way up.
Yeah, good. Let's make sure we can see it's good for us to go into the middle if that's the case. Alright, sound. Now, next little thing as well, those markings that the transit van went over, they were broken around the hatched area. What does that broken line mean?
Isn't it like a sort of ghost island type thing?
A little bit. Well, I know where you're coming from. They mean if it's safe and necessary, you can go on them.
Yeah.
So it wasn't necessary for this minibus in front, school bus I will add, transporting school kids, wow. It wasn't necessary for them to go on it
Okay.
because the traffic was still flowing. However, when it started to queue in front, would it then be deemed necessary so you can keep this left lane flow going?
Yes.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Do you see where I'm coming from? So that might be a scenario where you do decide to use those markings to keep the flow to the left going,
Right. Okay.
rather than just blocking everyone.
Yeah.
Alright? But you did well.
I remember making that mistake on my multi test because, well, obviously, I guess I just see everyone doing it, so I just assume.
That's right. Next left as well then. Good job. Did well.